In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up customer statements in QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward and will help you streamline your accounting and customer management tasks. Let's get started. First, let's sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. Choose QuickBooks Online from the options provided. Once there, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and password, then click Continue to log in. It's always good practice to ensure your credentials are kept secure, so consider using a password manager if you aren't already. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on the Sales tab. This tab is your gateway to managing your customer interactions, invoices, and of course, statements. After clicking on Sales, you will see an array of options laid out in front of you, so let's go to the Customers section. Click on Customers to view a list of all your current customers. This is the place where you'll manage each of your customer accounts individually. Once you've found the customer you need to send a statement to, click on their profile. This will bring up all the pertinent information related to their transactions and history with your business. Here, just beside the New Transaction button, you will notice a small drop-down arrow. Click on this drop-down. It's a handy feature because it allows you to quickly select the type of document or transaction you want to initiate. From the drop-down menu, click on Statement. This will open the statement creation window where you can specify what kind of statement you want to send. Now check the start date of the statement. This date will determine from which point in time the transaction should be included. Make sure that the start date captures all the relevant data you want to share with your customer. With the start date set, it's time to move on. Look for the Save and Send button and give it a click. This action will save your statement and prepare it for sending. QuickBooks makes sure everything is attached and organized correctly, so you only need to review the final steps. Finally, click on Send. Your customer's statement is now on its way, ready to provide them with the insight they need into their account with your business. It's as simple as that. Congratulations, you've just set up and sent a customer statement in QuickBooks Online. Regularly sending out these statements helps maintain clear communication with your customers and keeps everyone on the same page when it comes to outstanding balances and transactions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more QuickBooks Online tips.